To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. There are 7 basic sentence patterns: subject-verb, subject-verb-object, subject-verb complement, subject-verb adverbial, subject-verb indirect object, direct object, subject-verb direct object, object complement, subject-verb object adverbial. Sentence patterns refers to the arrangement of words and phrases in a sentence. The order of the elements creates different sentence structures. Subject and verb. This is a simple sentence with just a subject and an intransitive verb. For example, he runs. The subject is he and the verb is runs. Birds fly. The subject is birds and the verb is fly. Subject, verb, object. This sentence pattern uses a transitive verb, so it needs an object. For example, she reads books. The subject is she, the verb is reads, and the object is books. They watch movies. The subject is they, the verb is watch, and the object is movies. Subject, verb, complement. The complement in this sentence pattern gives more information about the subject. This is often used with verbs like be, become, seem, etc. For example, he is a teacher. The subject is he, the verb is, and the subject complement is a teacher. The soup tastes delicious. The subject is the soup, the verb is tastes, and the subject complement is delicious. Subject, verb, adverbial. The adverbial in this sentence pattern tells when, where, or how the action happens. For example, she lives in Paris. The subject is she, the verb is lives, and the adverbial is in Paris. This tells us where. They arrived late. The subject is they, the verb is arrived, and the adverbial is late. It tells us when. Subject, verb, indirect object, direct object. This sentence pattern tells of an action done to someone, the indirect object, with something, the direct object. For example, I gave her a gift. The subject is I, the verb is gave, the indirect object is her, and the direct object is a gift. He sent his friend a message. The subject is he, the verb is sent, the indirect object is his friend, and the direct object is a message. Subject, verb, direct object, object complement. The object complement in this sentence pattern gives more information about the direct object. For example, we painted the wall blue. The subject is we, The verb is painted, the direct object is the wall, and the object complement is blue. They elected her president. The subject is they, the verb is elected, the direct object is her, and the object complement is president. Subject, verb, object, adverbial. In this sentence pattern, the object is followed by an adverbial. This gives more detail. It can be about the place, time, or manner. For example, I put the keys on the table. The subject is I, the verb is put, the object is the keys, the adverbial is on the table. It tells the place. She kept her phone in her bag. The subject is she, the verb is kept, the object is her phone, and the adverbial is in her bag. It tells the place.